Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar lesson. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play guitar easily and in detail. And so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys 9 basic open chords to get you started in your guitar playing journey. There are tons of open guitar chords out there, but we're just sticking to the basics for now, so let's get to it. Okay, so when it comes to these 9 basic open chords, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the A major chord, which is going to be like this. And for this one, we're going to be not including the lower E string right here. If you want to get a bit technical, you can also use your thumb and just let it rest there on that lower E string, not pressing on it, to create that dead sound. Because if you press on it, it's going to sound like this. And we want it muted like so. It's going to be an open string on the A string. And then it's going to be 2, 2, 2 by using our index finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. It's going to be your middle finger on the G string on the 2nd fret. It's going to be your ring finger on the B string on the 2nd fret. Then lastly, it's going to be an open string on the high E string. So that's going to be dead string, open, 2, 2, 2, open string. Now next up is going to be your A minor chord, which is going to be this one right here. Now once again, using our thumb to mute the lower E string. It's going to be an open string in the A string. That's going to be 2nd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, then 1st fret on the B string. It's going to be an open string in the high E string. And as for your finger placements, we're going to be using our index finger on the B string. It's going to be your middle finger on the D string. It's going to be your ring finger on the G string. Once again, that is going to be dead string, open, 2, 2, 1, then open. Next up is going to be your C major chord. It's going to be this one right here. Once again, using our thumb to mute the lower E string. Like so. It's going to be your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. It's going to be your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. That's going to be an open string on the G string. It's going to be your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. It's going to be an open string on the high E string. Yep, that's going to be dead string. 3, 2, open, 1, then open. Next up is going to be your D major chord. It's going to be like this. Once again, using our thumb to mute the lower E string, but extending it just a bit so it also mutes the A string as well. If you want to get a bit technical. But if you don't want to do this, just make sure that you just hit the 4 thinnest strings. It's going to be those ones right there. And as for your finger placements, once again, it's going to be an open string on the D string. It's going to be your index finger on the 2nd fret on the G string. It's going to be your 3rd fret on the B string with your ring finger this time. It's going to be your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the high E string. It's going to be dead string, open, 2, 3, 2. Now next up is going to be the D minor chord. It's going to be this one right here. Yep, once again, the thumb stays in place, muting the lower E string and the A string. It's going to be open string and the D string once again. Once again, it's going to be your 2nd fret and the G string, but it's going to be the middle finger now this time. It's going to be the 3rd fret on the B string, using your ring finger now this time. And it's going to be your high E string on the 1st fret, with your index finger now this time. It's going to be dead string, open, 2, 3, 1. Next up is going to be the E major chord. It's going to be like this. Now for this one, it's all going to be open ringing strings. There's no muting involved with this one. Once again, it's going to be the open string in the lower E string. It's going to be 2nd fret A string, using your middle finger to press on it. That's going to be your 2nd fret D string, using your ring finger now this time. That's going to be your index finger on the 1st fret G string, like so. And then it's going to be open strings for the B string and the high E string. Just like that. Now next up is going to be your E minor chord, which is going to be like this. Basically just releasing your index finger on the G string. So it's going to be open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Pretty straightforward if you ask me. Now next up is going to be the F major chord, which is going to be like this. Now once again, we're going to be using our thumb to mute the lower E string and the A string. Once again, using our ring finger for the 3rd fret D string, middle finger for the 2nd fret G string, then index finger for the 1st fret B string. Now this time, we're not going to be including the high E string. It's going to be muted. And you can do this with your index finger, just bending it just a little bit so it hits your high E string. Because if you don't, it's going to ring. But if you let it bend a little bit, once again, just letting it bend a little bit, you're going to create that dead sound. Once again, it's going to be dead string, 3, 2, 1, then dead string. Then lastly, it's going to be the G major chord. It's going to be like this. This time, it's going to be your middle finger on the 3rd fret on the lower E string, index finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. It's going to be open string for the D and the G strings. Then for the B string, it's going to be your ring finger on the 3rd fret. It's going to be your pinky finger on the 3rd fret on the high E string. Yep, so that's going to be 3, 2, open, 3, then 3. Like so. So after learning all of these open chords, we're now moving on to the next part of this video. Just going to be demonstrating those chords in a song. So in this song, classic guitar song right here, it only uses these open chords that I taught you guys earlier. It uses no other bar chords and no other chords, no more, no less. So let's get to it. Okay, so when it comes to demonstrating these open chords, I'm going to be demonstrating with the song Christmas Time by Bryan Adams. So for the sake of this video, we're going to be focusing on the chords for now. So when it comes to the strumming patterns, just going to be 1 down strum for each count in the chord of the song. Yep, pretty simple. So it's going to be we waited all through the year for the day to when we could be together in harmony. You know the time will come, peace on earth for everyone, and we can live forever in a world where we are free. Let it shine for you and me. Now next up is going to be the chorus section of this song. Chord progression is going to be this one right here. Once again, 1 down strum per chord. Feel free to strum along as I sing along with this song. Let's go. Something about Christmas time, something about Christmas time that makes you wish it was Christmas every day. To see the joy in the children's eyes, the way that the old folks smile, says that Christmas will never go away. And as for the rest of the open chords, we're going to be using them for the key change of the chorus section of the song. Chord progression is going to be this one right here. Let's get to it. There's something about Christmas time, something about Christmas time that makes you wish it was Christmas every day. To see the joy in the children's eyes, the way that the old folks smile, says that Christmas will never go away. So there you have it, 9 basic open chords to get you started on your guitar playing journey. Please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that all of you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment down below as well. Really appreciate that. And also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd appreciate that as well. And once you finally figured out how to play all of these open chords, but you're still struggling when it comes to transitioning from one chord to another, please feel free to check out this video right here. Or maybe you want to check out songs that uses some of these open chords and not all of them, please feel free to check out this one right here. They're all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.